going to give you some tips on the pronunciation of the letter O if it is doubled, double O. For example, G double OD, good. This is a short sound. Good, hood, hook, wool. See here, wood and wool, not wool. Have you any wool? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags full. So, now coming to the long sound food, mood, school, pool, fool. But here, unexceptional case is this is pronounced as a cut sound, blood and flood. This is called cut sound in English phonetics. So here in the spelling we come across double O, but there are 3 kinds of pronunciation in the English language. Any doubt?